Two.
Come on, little one.
Four.
Good counting, Brantley Ray.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yay! You did it!
We did it.
Savannah.
And we did it.
And you did it. Good job, Brantley Ray. I got such smart girl. Yay! Savannah can roll over and Brantley can count to 11. So perfect. So perfect. Oh goodness, that's loud. That's a good job, Savannah Claire. Now where'd that toy go? Here. Are you laying on it? I don't know where that toy went.
Where's the other one? I didn't see it.
Which one?
The other one.
You missing a shape?
Uh-huh.
I don't know. Which shape are you missing? Do you have the star?
No.
Look, dump them out. Show me the star. Where is it?
This is the star.
No, it's not. You know the star. Where is it?
This is a star.
That's a clover.
This is clover.
How about this one?
No. And that goes.
This is the star?
No, I'm sorry. I did big blocks.
Are you building a tower?
Big blocks.
Building blocks. Which one's a triangle?
I'm sorry. I did big tower. I can't tell you.
Excuse me for asking while you're so busy. Go get it, Savannah. Oh! Yay! You went from your belly to your back. Good girl. It was kind of unintentional, but yay!
I did tower.
Good girl, Savannah. Oh! And Sissy knocked her tower over.
That's okay.
My goodness. You're so good. You're so good. Yeah. See, she's getting so big. She's learning new tricks. So I can roll over now. I can roll over now. I'm so good.
Good
I'm such a
job,
big girl.
Good job.
Okay, you building another tower?
I did it.
Let me see how tall you can make it. Hey, Savannah. I see you over there. I see you over there. Oh, no!
Let's put it together.
Excuse me. Sorry about that. Oops! That's a star. And then what shape is that? Can you
That's a try.
Good job. Uh-oh, I don't think that's going to work. That triangle's kind of like the roof of a house. You going to do it again, Savannah? Oh! Almost. They're almost. Almost. Wow, Brantley. That's real tall. And it stands up by itself. Oh, uh-oh. Is it gonna stand? It's standing. One more. Can you do it? Uh-oh. Where's the triangle? Put it on top. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at how tall it is. Oh, whoa. It's a little wobbly.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, is a big bad monster coming to knock it down?
No.
No?
Your jacket.
Boom. Boom.
Let's get again.
Okay.
Now we blow together. Okay.
Hey, sweetie Petey. Come on.
Come on, Benna.
Come on, Savannah.
You
Savannah,
can
Savannah,
do it.
Savannah.
Come
You can do it. Yes, you can.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what's wrong? Oh, goodness. It wasn't tall enough for you to knock down yet.
Oh, sorry. That's right.
Okay. Bye-bye, video.
Bye-bye, video.
Oh, wait, are you going to roll over, Savannah? I'll hold on if you're going to roll over. Can you do it? Can you do it? Oh, get those hips over.
It's hard to work on.
It is hard work. Oh, goodness. So close. So close. Goodness.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, it's getting tall again.